Here we're going to learn about how to use private browsing. As you browse the internet, your browser keeps a history of where you've been. It can make it easy and faster to go back to those sites, but others who share your computer can see where you've been. To prevent this, we'll start with clearing your history. In a browser like Chrome, go up to the URL line. At the end, you'll find a menu icon. On this Mac, it's a round red circle with an up arrow in it. On a Mac or on a PC with Windows, it'll be 3 dots. Click on your menu icon, go down and find the settings. And in the settings, we're going to look here under advanced, we'll have privacy and security. Come on down to where it says clear browsing data. Click on that. You can choose what you want to clear: history, cookies, cached images and files. You can clear it for the last hour. You can change it for the last 24 hours, 7 days, or everything you've ever been doing on this computer. With that all check marked, just click on clear the data, and it's gone. Nobody can see where you've been for the last hour with that setting. If you have a Mac with a Safari on it instead, your clearing your history will be found up in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on the history, and then you can find clear history, and it just gets rid of everything. Now, you can keep that history from being built up by using private browsing. To get into private browsing on your Chrome, go back to that menu icon, click on it, and you'll see new incognito window. On many other browsers, it's called private. Chrome calls it incognito. If you go to Safari, it's called private, and you go up to the Safari item on the menu and choose private browsing. When you turn it on, private appears in the URL line. With the Chrome browser, you click on that incognito window and you get a black window up, and it has a little spy icon, shows you in private browsing. Now what this does, it allows you to browse, go to your sites, do whatever you want on the internet, and the browser will not keep a history on your computer. So you don't have to constantly go in and eliminate your history. Now, this is great for working on your computer that you share. Anybody else that uses your computer won't be able to get into your history of what you've been doing. However, it does not protect you from your internet provider knowing where you've been and keeping track of your internet traffic. It does not protect you from your boss finding out what you've been doing. The IT guys can track what you're doing. This is only to protect you while you're sharing your computer with somebody else, so that somebody else doesn't have easy access to the history of what you've done. Now, while in private mode, you have access to your bookmarks. You can see here bookmarks are available, and if you choose to create a bookmark, that will stay there even after you leave private browsing. But that's a choice that you make. By making the bookmark, you're creating a history of where you've been. So, if you share your computer, this tip can be useful. Hope this helps. Thanks for listening.